Guys, I appreciate you tuning in for this episode of the Mental Minute. Today I'm going to be talking about fasting. Now, before you scroll or swipe or X out of it, I want to give you a different perspective of why fasting is important. You know, if you were to pick up an article and read about fasting, they would talk about that it would help you lose weight or increase your metabolism or peace of mind, etc. Those are all exterior things. But from a physiological standpoint and digestively speaking, it actually allows your digestive tract to get a break. Because if you're eating 3 square meals a day, and let's say that you're throwing in some snacks and eating when you're not hungry, your body's digesting food 24 hours a day. 24 hours a day, it's constantly digesting. And if you have digestive issues, it just amplifies it. So when you fast, you're basically giving your body's digestive a reset button, which always works. It doesn't really matter what you do. It could be 8 hours, it could be 16 hours, it could be a full day. But take some time to give your body's digestive tract a break. You're not going to starve, you're not going to die, but learn how to give it a break and fast.